Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2023 and is related to the topic species in environment. The question is, which of the following organisms perform waggle dance for others of their kin to indicate the direction and distance to source of their food? A. Butterflies, B. Dragonflies, C. Honeybees, or D. Wasp. Now basically what is waggle dance? Suppose this is sun and this is the source of food. If both are in a straight line, then the species of bees will do waggle dance in this format if they are in a straight line. So in waggle dance, what honeybees does is they move in this direction by waggling, rapid and sudden movement, and then come back to their position, and then again they move in this direction and then come back to their starting place. So this forms the direction of food. If that is in a straight line, then this will be the shape of waggle dance. If suppose this is sun, this is beehive, and here the source of food is there. So it is basically making an angle. Suppose this is making an angle theta. So the waggle dance will be at an angle theta. So they are basically telling the direction as well as they also tell the distance of their food. So honeybees perform this waggle dance to showcase their kin the direction and distance of the food source. As far as these insects are concerned, the role of the insects in the environment are multifold. They act as pollinators as well. They act as predators as well. They maintain food chain. These are the basic functions of the insects in the environment. Now, as far as this question is concerned, the source of this question was a news article in Indian Express that inspired by honeybees, scientists teach robots to communicate with waggle dance. If we see similar nature question related to insects, then there was one question. Due to some reasons, if there is a huge fall in the population of a species of butterflies, what could be its likely impact? Number one, pollination of some plants could be adversely affected. Number two, there could be a drastic increase in the fungal infections of some cultivated plants. And number three, it could lead to a fall in the population of some species of wasps, spider and birds. Now we already saw the role of butterflies or different insects that they act as pollinators. They are excellent pollinators. They pick pollen grains from the flowers and they spread it into different area, hence they are known as pollinators. Now as far as this, there could be a drastic increase in the fungal infections. There is no proven data to showcase the drastic increase in fungal infections of some cultivated plants. So this statement will become incorrect. It could lead to a fall in the population of some species of wasp, spider and birds. Now these species, they feed on butterfly. They feed on butterfly, and if there is a huge decline in population of butterfly, then naturally the food chain will be disturbed and there will be a fall in population of wasp, butterfly, birds and the spiders. So our answer for this question will be C, 1 and 3. If we see similar nature articles which was recently there in news in Indian Express, then there is massive insect decline. This massive insect decline threatens collapse of nature. As far as global insect population is concerned, so there is a 41% decline of population of different types of insects. And these are the insects like caddisflies, butterflies, beetles, bees. They have declined over the past decade in different percentages. Now the reason for their declines are different for different types of insect. For example, if we see dragonflies, then dragonflies thrive in clean and running stream. So if we do damming, that is if we make dam in the stream, then the running stream and clean water, there will be decline of running stream and clean water. So dragonfly population will automatically decline or they will become locally extinct. As far as fireflies are concerned, fireflies population will decline if there is too much light pollution. For example, recently there was a news that in Bengaluru, the firefly population is shifting towards the forest, that is away from Bengaluru. Earlier there was huge population of fireflies in the Bangalore area, in the Bangalore region as well as adjacent region. But now this firefly population is moving away from Bangalore because there is too much light population in Bangalore. So that is detrimental to the growth of fireflies, or that is detrimental to the thriving nature of fireflies. As far as different types of insects are concerned, so for one person, this is the common fact regarding insect, for one person there is 1.4 billion insects. For one person on earth there is 1.4 billion insect, and as far as mass is concerned, so for one people there is 70 times more insect weight is there. If we see the population of different types of insects, then Lepidoptera, that is butterfly, has 1.6 lakh species. Diptera, that is true fly, has 1.5 lakh species. And Hymenoptera, that is ants, bees and wasps, have around 1 lakh species. They have around 1 lakh species. So this makes the insect species important from UPSC point of view as well as from environmental point of view to maintain the ecosystem. So our answer for this question will be C, 1 and 3 only. Thank you.